Good evening, teacher and companions. I am going to present an analysis to the result of the company Sweet Candy and the graph that I use to guarantee the information. I am present to program 1 point company analysis, 2 point survey graph, and 3 point analysis of survey results. Sweet Candy. Sweet Candy is a company dedicated to the production of candy and sweet gum, and needs to know the opinion of customer for this. They developed a survey to measure the degree of satisfaction and want to its no results. Survey graph. To analyze the results of the survey, we have used a bar chart that allow you to show the level of the company's performance. Analysis of the survey results. Recommend. For the first point, where the degree of recommendation is analyzed, it is evident that the company is not high recommended. Satisfaction. For the level of satisfaction, it was found that customers are satisfied with the company. Product description. For the description of the products, customers indicate that they are of high quality and that the company has good quality price ratio. Product satisfaction. The level of product satisfaction are found very good, was not 100%. Product quality. As for the quality of the products, customers gave a good rating, but it is not best quality, it can be improved. Quality price ratio. In terms of quality and price, customers gave an average rating, while it's evidence that the product is of good quality or its price too high. Response level. The level of response to customer concerns was rated acceptable, but there is room for improvement. Finance customer. The vast majority of customers have only been with the company for a very short time. Probably of new products purchase. Customers are likely to buy products from the company again. Commentary. Customer like the company and its products, but they want more variety of flowers. Thank you.